Hi, and welcome to another day on our homestead in France. And we are now living here for a couple of days, and it's really it's hectical, but it's really nice. A lot of things are coming our way, and we need to prioritize everything and see how we are going to manage it and to start it. But I think that's always with the start of everything you need to do. Well, basically, the house it's livable. We are we have heating, we have electricity, we have water from our own well, but the rest is a bit outdated. So what we're going to do is we start renovating or upgrading a little bit of our kitchen. We are going to remove the wall inside of the two inside the kitchen area.
Stone.
And next to that, I'm going to remove all the wallpaper. It's beautiful wallpaper for that time, but for now it's not really useful to paint over it. So yeah, we decided to remove it. It's pretty neat now because it's just plain a wall. So it looks like when this was built around the 60s, I think 64, they put on the wallpaper and that's it. So I removed just one layer of wallpaper and it's really a smooth wall now. So we can paint it. So in winter time I'm working with the windows open, a t-shirt on, but also I'm protecting with gloves and sunglasses because the steam can be a bit hot. But so yeah, working with this view, it's not that bad on a winter day. So meanwhile, let me go walk you through downstairs because my husband is working over there. Let me see if I manage to open the door from here. Like this. And there he is. My working man. Oh, what did you do? What did you do, my husband? No more walls.
No more.
Wow. It's just so more light in here. And it's only a matter of cleaning the floor. And then we can start making our kitchen here.
Yes.
Yes.
And remove the door frame.
Yes, because we don't need to go through that door anymore.
Nope.
Nope. But those are all projects that don't have any finish line yet inside. So next to that, I'm also doing some little tasks that are really fun. And you can just finish in a couple of minutes. And that is planting some bulbs. They are crocus. I don't know if that's the same name in English. And some tulips. And it's also nice. We received a rose from the previous owners. Give it to us as a gift. So it definitely will get a place somewhere here along the border. So, upcoming weeks, I'm going to try to lay out the basics of the vegetable garden. And let me show you and take you into the vegetable garden. So this is actually the place to be in summer for me. So I'm planning to put down here a little shed and a greenhouse, but I decided to put everything along the way with the garden and not diagonal to the south. We get plenty of sun here in the summer. It's an open space, but also a little bit of shade for the trees. I plan my vegetable garden on computer and paper to see what vegetables I want to have in the garden, I like to eat, and also how much space they need. So I think I will be busy the couple of months to get that started. So, and if you have any tips or suggestions, just let us know. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. See you next time!